Hey there, this is Dan, and I just want to welcome you into our system. And I'm really thrilled that you're here. And if you have any questions, you can always let me know so I can help you out. And you can schedule a call with me as well, so you can click on the link below. So this system is really simple and it is made for growth. It is different from what the other builders have because we try to create a complete tool for any small business to grow. We have things such as the CRM, there's the funnels, things that are meant specifically for growing your business online. It is not just about building pages. But the building pages is one of obviously the key things, and it is the smoothest experience to use the system. It's really smooth, it's really easy, and you don't have to have any skills to do anything. Basically, this system kind of combines, basically it doesn't have you to hire any designers or marketers to grow your business online. It makes them kind of obsolete. So this is the idea here, that you can do all that yourself. You can drag, you can be the designer that you always wanted to be. Just with one click you can add a new section, and that is already pre-designed by professionals. And all you have to do is change the texts, change the colors or whatever, and you're ready to go. You don't have to spend hours or thousands of dollars for marketers and designers. And everything is optimized, and it scales down great on mobile, and it looks great anywhere that you want. And you can show and hide different areas and have them the way you want to look anywhere on any device. So without that, we also have the funnels where you can do simple things like A/B testing. You can sell products the most simple and easy way that usually has anywhere from 3 to 10 times more conversions and sales than the normal website. So you can play around and check out the funnels from here. They're really awesome, and we have amazing videos about them, how you can use them into your advantage. You can do them for sales funnels, for lead generation, if you want to get more leads, to promote different events. So it is an amazing way to grow your business, and we have special videos on that you can check. Also, the store, you can build out a whole e-commerce website if you wish, or like I said, the sales funnels for individual products. You also get the engage section, which is basically a CRM where you can manage all your contacts and leads, memberships, SEO, the form submits, and very soon you have your own email marketing where you can send out emails as well. So this is a very exciting and cool new section that you can take advantage of. So this is just about the platform, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate. Anytime you can contact us. And in these videos that you see in this section, they're so great. They have everything about how you build your pages, how to build your headers, your store, how to do your SEO, how to get more traffic into your pages and funnels, how to sell product basically in less than 20 minutes, how to do all these things and more. Basically everything is meant for you to do it yourself, do it in a few hours, and have an amazing way to promote your business online. And again, we have webinars, workshops, and if you want a special coaching session with me, just book a call with the link below, and we can discuss more about your business and what are your goals. We can build together the most amazing pages and websites for your business. Okay, this is from me, and looking forward to hearing from you.